Okay, so we are here in Belize City, the capital of Belize, and it's Super Bowl Sunday, so I found some friends here at a bar. We have Tracy from Canada, we have Andrea, and behind the camera we have Lisa. Yeah! So of course, you're traveling to a new country, you want to try the local food, the local drinks. So rum, this one is the One Barrel rum, which is a popular rum here in Belize. You give it a try and see what I think. So yeah, that's rummy. That's not my favorite rum, but instead of a Cuba Libre, they have a rum and coke. What is I'm gonna call it a Belize Libre. I'm gonna mix my coke with my rum, and we're going to enjoy the rest of Super Bowl 59. Thank you. Andrew's got it. Stay tuned. Hey, you guys remember in Suriname and Guyana they sold this drink? So I decided I'm gonna try it. Okay, let's go for it. Well, they got it here in Belize too. But here, it's a beer. And I don't like beer, so I won't try it. It was just an energy drink in the other places, and one had a little bit of alcohol in it too. But it wasn't beer. Keep the sun off of everything. Oh, did you know I was coming? It's in where it's nice and quiet. Just from walking around today and talking to people yesterday and today, I've learned quite a few things about the country of Belize. First of all, it got its independence in 1981, which is why Queen Elizabeth is still on their money. It was a British colony until then. So this also means that English is the official language and is the only country in Central America whose official language is English. Also, before becoming Belize, the country was known as British Honduras. That was interesting. I don't know why yet, but I've just seen it on some monuments here. And this is only the second time I've seen a Taiwanese embassy in a country here in South America. The other one I saw was in Paraguay. If you've been following my videos for a while, you've seen that there's a large Chinese influence in a lot of South American countries, but you don't often see specifically Taiwanese. Oh yeah, the other thing I forgot to mention is that there's no Uber here, so you need to catch a cab or call a private shuttle or private taxi service. Stay with me by this muddy creek. When the moon comes out, I start my day. Oh, did you know I was coming? It's in where it's nice. Well, it seems at the cruise port on days where there's no cruise ships, it's kind of dead. I'm the only person walking around down here, but I get to see all the tourist stuff without any lines and without being distracting. But then a lot of the food places are also closed, so. Yeah, Monday afternoon with no cruise ship here, it's kind of dead. So because I don't like beer, but I really want to know how the drink tastes, I got somebody else to try one.
Actually tastes like beer. Wow, but there's something coming later. Something I can't explain. Wow, this is so different to other beers. Tastes like hurts after. But good one. Cheers.
It's the same one I had in Suriname. Watch that video. Need a chance. Okay, so I was told one of the cool things to do here is to visit Caye Caulker. So I'm catching the San Ignacio Express. It's $40 US round trip. The good thing is the return ticket's open, so if I miss my boat today, I can stay overnight and come back tomorrow. It says valid for 3 months. That's not the only place that bans live music. So the first thing you notice when you arrive to Caye Caulker is this beautiful turquoise blue water of the Caribbean. We do not have that in Belize City. Yeah, so let's go check out the rest of this place. So all of my friends who live in the St. Pete, Tampa area, you might recognize these fish. These are tarpon, and we even have a city, I believe it's near Clearwater, called Tarpon Springs. And you can feed these fish. These things are huge though. For you cave divers out there, yeah, you have this here. on Caye Caulker in Belize. After walking around the island for like 30 minutes, you can tell that everything is souvenirs first. Next, you'll eco sports like snorkeling, scuba diving, fishing and sailing. And then the last thing you'll notice are restaurants and bars that are on the water, and you can have a drink while you swim in the sea. And that's pretty much most of what I've seen here. So now I'm going to go to the other side of the island and see what I see down there. Everybody's on their golf carts and or walking or using bikes. So I'm not sure if it's just because of the season that I'm here or the time of day, but you know, this area is very quiet, nobody's here, so if we just want to come here and relax, it's a nice spot. And on the north side of the island where I first was, that's where all the people who want to party and hang out and all the bars are. So after just wandering along the beach path, going south, I happened upon the airport. And so this airport is where the flights go out so that people can go and see things like the Blue Hole and some of the other cays and just see the beauty from the air. So I'm going to walk back that way to the north of the island. Okay, so we are at the split. This is where the island of Caye Caulker, which is one island, now two islands after Hurricane Patty in 1961 came through and basically just widened this gap, which before was only a few feet and now it's 30 meters. Yeah, so this is the split, and of course now it's a tourist spot. Because that's what you do, right? You make tourism out of the beautiful nature. Let's get in the water. We're gonna go out to the split out here. We're not gonna swim there because the current's too strong, but we're gonna go check it out. We are here at Willy's restaurant. It's not your typical restaurant. We are in his house, basically his backyard. Today we had the option of fish, chicken, or pork. We all chose fish. With vegetables here, there's others at our table. We're sharing a table because he's booked out. They said it's amazing because they were here yesterday. So we today are going to confirm that. We're going to try the fish, veggies, and rice. Also, rum punch, special with Willy's recipe. Won't tell you what it is. It's more rum than punch. Just see, just know that.
Picked it up, put the selfie with it, and then I was trying to.
Can't let the secret out.
There you go.
That is delicious.
I just have the flexible right now,
Yes, one
but it's already so good. It's really good.
Focus. This morning I walked around the city of San Ignacio. Not a whole lot to see. It reminds me of Bonito in Mato Grosso do Sul in Brazil, because the town in and of itself doesn't really have a whole lot going on, but it draws a lot of tourists because it is the main jump-off point for some amazing nearby attractions. And here in San Ignacio, there's a cave called ATM. It's like a huge indoor cavernous complex, and you swim through it basically with a guide. And two of the largest Mayan ruins of all of Belize are located within an hour drive from here. And there's several other outdoor sports like fishing, kayaking. And when I was in Belize City, somebody told me that there are no foreign fast food chains here, so you won't see McDonald's or KFC. And now that I've been to Belize City, Caye Caulker, and here in San Ignacio, I'm starting to see that I haven't seen any of those restaurants. But I have seen one chain. It's called Chicken Express. And I keep seeing this one, so when in Rome, so I'm gonna go try it. I have no idea what that slogan means. What is the slogan here at your restaurant?
Stuff for with chicken, which means this is our chicken.
Despite not having any American chains here, they do still have American brands that you can find in the supermarket or restaurants.
Where you they say? Yeah.
So we're gonna confirm if she was right or not. We're gonna talk to a local.
So this is what you just say. It's like Cards Against Humanity or Apples to Apples, but it's in Creole, which is what we talk in Belize. So it means, what are you saying? There's an example on the back here. The question is, your best friend thief your man. What are you to say? Your best friend stole your boyfriend. What are you gonna do?
Okay, so y'all remember how earlier I said wasn't nothing to do here in town? This morning I walked around the city of San Ignacio. Not a whole lot to see. Well, this is the beauty of staying in hostels. You meet people and they say, hey, you should go do this, which is in town. And so that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm with two new travelers. Let's meet them.
Everybody calls me Queen. Your Majesty, if you would. I'm from Alabama.
Hi, it's me, Edgy. I'm German Turkish, and I have a wonderful guider with me and the photographer. Come with us. Let's showing you.
Now that we've gotten a history lesson, we are gonna go look at some actual Mayan ruins. And you can just see the whole complex from here. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be, because it's just on the hill. We can see this hill from the city, but it just looks like trees. You don't realize that below the trees, below the forest, are this huge ruins complex. So it was 20 Belize dollars to come in, and I think it'd definitely be worth it. You get the information in the front, and then you come out here and you explore and try to see the information in real life. So I recommend it, but let's see what the ladies thought.
This is great. I'm never leaving. Not because I'm dying here or anything, but because it's beautiful. It's like, it's just beautiful. Covered in greenery. I'm barefoot, did it barefoot. But yeah, it's beautiful. Full of history. It's nice, fun to climb. A lot of climbing. You can really tap into your inner child. I'm learning a lot, and I really appreciate learning of how they're buried. I know a little morbid, but it's still something interesting. Being that I want to be buried kind of similar. So, you know, it's not that bad. I liked it.
So it was amazing to see all these old places where they made all the ceremonies, sacrificing. I was also already in Tikal and Mexico, so I love visiting all this culture, different cultures, different spiritual places. So I just recommend to come to see, to visit this beautiful country with all this Maya culture, what is still here. It was beautiful. I had a wonderful day with two wonderful people. And to the last, free Palestine. From the river to the sea, Palestine will be free. I hope you do this inside.
Hi, welcome to Black Orchid. These are the flavors we have available, and all of them are homemade with no preservatives, no additives. And so we have our special as well, the maple walnut, the rum and raisin, and sugar corn. And see, we have a happy customer over there.
I got sweet corn and key lime. It's smack, for real. Yeah, it's actually really good.
We also have natural juice, which are mango, sorrel ginger, sorrel, and lime. We hope to see you soon. Come taste the heart of Belize. Bye.
Welcome to Caracol. Today we are going to visit one of the biggest sites of the Maya here in Belize. The site today, as how archaeologists are putting it to us, is not only the biggest in Belize, but it ranges among the biggest in the Mundo Maya. As the years go by, more people are coming to visit us. Today, we can only see about probably 1% of the site, and that's what you guys are invited to come to join us to see today. They're normally in troops of like a bit.
This fruit is called horse balls because yeah, it looks like yeah. Well, if you cut it open, it's white, and then the liquid inside is very sticky, and so humans don't eat it, but the howler monkeys do. They know how to get around that part and get to the meat.
Yeah, that's the exact Elmer's glue consistency.
See?
Yeah.
You touch it. Common in all Mayan plazas. Depending on where you're standing, different echo.
Halfway there. For anyone who says that they can't get out and see the world and climb stuff, Rachel here has double knee replacement and she's crushing it. Go girl. Look at that. And she's gonna get this view here at the top. Look at that world, guys. This is what Rachel and I are up here enjoying. The highest pyramids, Mayan ruins in Belize. So this is wild cilantro. Oh, it smells so good. Smell it. Mmm. Our visit to Caracol has been amazing. I think we've been here about 3 hours. Leo is super knowledgeable, and I'm glad that on the way here he gave us Belizean history, because in Belize City I couldn't find any free walking tours, so I didn't know anything about Belize. And now that I've been in the car with Leo, I know all of the history. And then here at the site, of course, learning more about the Mayan culture and Mayan history. There's just so much to see here, and he said they've only uncovered 1% for tourism, and we did a lot of walking, so be prepared. The steps are huge, a lot of fun going up and down those. Oh, I got that on camera, Sarah. But you get some amazing views of the landscape here. You can even see Guatemala from here. So this is a really good trip, and I'm glad I did it. People on tour with me are fun and interesting as well, and we're asking great questions. And again, Leo just knows the answers to everything. So if you get a chance, come here and do this with Leo. I think you'll have a good time.
Action. And Queen. I'm from Alabama.
Wait, come back. Okay, you guys say it then. No?
And also we have special. We have the rum and raisin and maple. No. You want to say it? No. I got this. Start that first. Make it first. Maple walnut.
What's that? No, don't do that. Don't put that.
I am recording.
Are you really for real?
Okay, can we
No, so
repeat
if you mess up,
again,
start
please.
over, yeah.
Again. Okay.